Guys, where should we go to lunch today?
Well, I heard Panera was the move.
Why don't we just go to Cookout? It's so much cheaper.
It's Taco Tuesday.
What are we supposed to do?
We should just use the pairwise method to decide.
What's that?
So the pairwise method is when you set up each candidate or option against each other to see who will win. Up here in the first column, we have how many people voted for each option. For example, in the first row, you can see that 3 people voted to go to Tijuana first, then Cookout, then Panera. So to find out who's the winner, we have to first set up each restaurant against each other. Let's look at Tijuana versus Cookout. In the first row, Tijuana was the first choice, but in the second, Cookout won. Then in the third, Cookout won again. In the fourth, Tijuana won. And then in the fifth, Cookout won again. This means Cookout has 5 points while Tijuana only has 4, so Cookout wins overall. Next, let's set up Tijuana versus Panera. Tijuana wins in the first row, then Panera wins in the second. Panera also wins in the third, but Tijuana wins in the fourth. Finally, Tijuana wins again in the fifth, which means that Tijuana has 5 points versus Panera with only 4, which means that Tijuana wins that column as well. Next, let's set up Panera versus Cookout, and you can see here that Cookout wins in the first column as well as in the second. Panera wins in the third and in the fourth, and then Cookout wins again in the fifth, which means that Cookout wins overall. And since Cookout won twice against both Tijuana and Panera, that's where we're going for lunch.
Yay.
Let's get milkshakes.
Guys, do you have your passes?
I forgot my pass. No!
No!
Dang it!
Justin!